This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for May 14th, 2018. Corn market steady to down a quarter today. Beans up 9 to 14.5. Chicago wheat down 7 to 8. Minneapolis down 3 to 3.5. Kansas City down 8 cents. When you look at the grains, a little bit of focus on this Chinese delegation coming over, as well as NAFTA to some degree. We should have some direction here, or greater direction, I should say, as we work through the week this week, as both kind of take center stage. China's coming over here, and NAFTA has kind of reported of pushing some things off to today, tomorrow, and we'll see just what kind of results in market news. But markets accordingly, beans gaining some strength as a net result of some hopes, some deals were working in place, and the corn and wheat markets backing off there a little bit. Feeder cattle on the day down $3 to $3.52.5. Live cattle down $1.80 to $3. Hog market up $1 to $1.75. There too, hogs up on the news that China potentially can work something out with the U.S. We'll see kind of just what comes to fruition in the days ahead, but it should create some volatility. Cattle, on the other hand, going to test these kind of lower support areas. We see a bend but don't break too far type approach, and we're against those support areas we think should hold up here as we work ahead. So we'll kind of see what comes about. A lot of farmers in the field here understanding that I-90 corridor, north and south, is a bit too wet. Rest of the nation, very good progress. So we'll see where the conditions reports and planting progress come in. Market's expecting 55 to 60 out of corn, and around that, last week we were about 15% in beans, and forecast to be around 30% here this week. We'll see just what we come up with. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.